Your hair is a significant part of your personal style. Healthy, shiny hair not only boosts your confidence, but also complements your overall look. However, many people unknowingly harm their hair with daily routines and habits. To maintain the quality of your hair, there are some key points to consider. Let's take a closer look at the tips to enhance your hair health and uncover the most common mistakes in hair care. Hair washing. The first and most fundamental step is washing your hair. But even this simple task can damage your hair if not done correctly. Shampoos are designed to cleanse your scalp, but avoid using two-in-one shampoo and conditioner products. They often don't clean or condition effectively, leading to suboptimal results. To maintain healthy hair, always use a conditioner after shampooing, especially if you have medium to long hair. Conditioners help soften your hair and make it easier to manage, leading to healthier and shinier hair. Overwashing your hair. Washing your hair too frequently can dry out your scalp and make your hair brittle. Shampoos strip away oils and impurities, but can also remove natural moisture. To avoid damaging your hair, limit washing to a maximum of 3 times a week. If you need to rinse your hair daily, use cool water to maintain vitality. Hot water can damage hair cuticles, so wash with warm water and rinse with cool water to protect your hair. Hair drying and heat use. High-temperature airflow can severely dry out your hair, leading to brittleness. When using a hairdryer, opt for lower heat settings and use heat protectant products to minimize damage. Aggressive towel drying can also harm your hair, so gently press out excess water instead of rubbing it. This gentle approach helps maintain your hair structure and reduces the risk of breakage. Extra nutrition and hair masks. Many people overlook the benefits of hair masks, but they are excellent for providing extra moisture and nutrition to your hair. Hair masks can prevent breakage and split ends, contributing to a healthier appearance. Consider using a hair mask once a week or every 2 weeks for added nourishment and care. Healthy habits. Healthy hair requires more than just external care. Internal health is equally important. Smoking and excessive alcohol consumption can negatively affect your hair's health. Additionally, drinking enough water daily is crucial for maintaining hair moisture and vitality. Therefore, make sure to drink plenty of water to keep your hair hydrated. Regular haircuts and comb cleaning. Regular haircuts are essential for maintaining healthy and well-groomed hair. If you let your hair grow too long without a trim, split ends can form, leading to a degraded hair structure. Keeping your combs clean is also crucial. Dirty combs can transfer dirt and oils to your hair, affecting its health and appearance. Make sure to clean your combs with soap every few days to avoid buildup. This comprehensive approach to hair care can serve as your guide to maintaining the health and appearance of your hair. Healthy hair is not just about aesthetics, but also plays a role in boosting your confidence. Therefore, take good care of your hair to ensure it stays healthy and beautiful for years to come.